So here we have a what seems like a basic calculator app in Calculator Pro. The key feature that I'd like to mention here is the ability to go from basic mode, which is in portrait mode, to a more complicated, uh, more advanced set in landscape mode. And each has its own place. For example, in my class, at the beginning of the year, probably focus on very basic functions, multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting. And as the year progresses, we will eventually go on to exponents and different functions where you need more advanced tools. But the basic calculator does allow you to have a better visual. It's easier to see, and students can watch me as I go through the calculations. As calculations are not a big focus in my class, I prefer them to just understand the concepts in algebra. But then as the year goes on, we'll get into some calculator work. They need to work with exponents, and then we can get into the more advanced functions. And then this calculator allows you to do that, and you get more tools, more things that you'd know. If you'd like to get rid of the banner on the bottom, obviously you would need to pay for the calculator itself and remove the apps. I find it is not as distracting, so it's not a big deal to keep it on there. And I pair this up with an app called Reflection, so then I can project the computer onto my projector screen, and students can watch as I manipulate the numbers, and they can do the same on their own calculators or their own apps that they have at this point on their phones and on their devices. So if you have any questions on the implementation or any other reviews you'd like to view, please contact us at appsinclass.com.